Good morning, everyone. My name is Arslan, and you are watching Proper Tech Tutorial. So, welcome back to the series of AI and automation. And today we'll be learning about how to use ChatGPT to get the best tags for your YouTube video uploads so that they are best and they have improved search engine optimization. So, without any further delay, let's start. So, in the previous video, as you might have seen, that must have a YouTube account and log into studio.youtube.com. Then you have to upload a video, and then we understood how to use various types of commands and how ChatGPT understands our commands and how we get to understand what ChatGPT is understanding from our commands. So we did a trial of 3 runs, and finally, we got a list of hashtags that will boost our search engine optimization that you can see over here. Okay. Next, what we have is that we have to enter certain tags that are there in our YouTube upload section. That is there in our YouTube upload section. So, as on paper, it says that tags are only for captioning purpose, translating purpose. It does not play any role in like helping viewers to find your video, that is SEO. But if you read closely, it says that it plays a minimal role. So it is playing somewhat a percentage of role in search engine optimization. So what we'll do, hmm, so what we'll do, we'll go back to our video description, and after that we have our command that we had earlier, and this command was used, and we will do a challenge 3 for our chat GPT, and that will be generate relevant video tags for description as per YouTube search algorithm. Ensure tags improve search optimization and visibility in YouTube search. Ensure it should not exceed 500 characters including spaces. Next, before that, we should have a background that what you are, what you do, and what is your motive for the video uploads and using ChatGPT that is mentioned. And then we will write challenge 3. So I will write over here, I will copy this. I already have the command, and this command was like whole prompt was clearly made understood in the previous video. For those who have not checked that out, the link is in the description or it is just in the playlist. You can browse it and check that out. We'll go to ChatGPT and I will just paste it over here. Next, what I will do, shift enter, and next line will be there. If you will click enter directly, you will get the command running and everything will be in the process. So you'll have to stop that. So shift delete is for new line. Paste and then challenge 3, generate, etc., etc. Okay, so now we will paste the my video description. So my video description is already in our YouTube. We have already written that. The description should be as close to our video in actuality as it can be, because your description will be the only thing that ChatGPT will have as a reference to understand what your video is about. Okay, so we changed some things over here. So I will copy it and I will paste it over here. Okay, so we have pasted the description. Earlier, we also used the social links, etc. So that was interfering with the command. So we have removed that. Now we'll click on enter and see what is the result which we are getting. So I have logged in with my Google Gmail account that will allow me some free usage of ChatGPT 4.0. And ChatGPT 4.0 is much more intelligent. It can access the web, it can access multiple sources, and will give you an answer that is much more reliable. So, to enhance search optimization, it has given us certain things as per our description. So, as you see that in our description, we added Boolean operation, we also added feature operation, that is drill. We also added project curve. We also added intersection curve, that is also a tool in the Siemens NX. So this part is Boolean, this part is drill, and this part is related to the making of curves in another plane like project and intersection. So the answer which we have got is Siemens NX, NX tutorial, Siemens NX tutorial, beginner, pro, mechanical engineering, CAD tutorial, UI customization, ribbon, drill has been added, intersect has been added, unite, boolean has been added, sketching commands, modeling tools. Because drill is a modeling tool, and project curve is a modeling tool, intersection curve is a modeling tool, and product design engineering software. So these last of the tags are not like directly related to our video, but it is related to the software about which the video has been made. So when the tags are complete, it will try to complete the prompt that you have given, that we wrote that the tag should not be less than 500. So it is trying to complete 500 as much as possible. So it has added some indirectly related tags also. We will just copy that, and we will copy it, and as you can see that after every comma there is a space. I hope you can see over here that every comma there is a space. So that is something which sometimes ChatGPT does on its own. So nothing to worry about. What we will do, we'll just open the Word file, a new blank document, and we will paste the keep source formatting, the text copied from there. Now what we will do, we will search for replace. Replace is over here also. We can search also. We'll search replace, and we will write comma and space and replace it with only a comma, and replace all, and done. So you can see now that our character limit has been optimized. The spaces have been omitted on its own, but the spaces between inside the tag is not omitted. So we'll use the replace command, then we will do that, copy that, and then go to the YouTube, and then we will have the tag section somewhere around here. We will paste it, and we will see that still we have 48 characters remaining. So we can write proper tech tutorial, we can write our name, we can write Arslan, we can write proper tech only, etc., etc., whatever you want. So these are the things which we can use, which we can add in our tags, and how to get the best tags possible has also been explained in totality. So I hope you liked our videos, and the thing was explained clearly. In case you have any issue in any of our video, in any of our explanation throughout our channel, any of our uploads, comment in the comment section. We'll definitely get back to you. Or you can write us on propertechtutorial@gmail.com, and we'll definitely connect with you as soon as possible. So, till the next time we meet, goodbye, and keep following us, keep watching our videos in totality so that you do not miss out on anything important. Goodbye.